Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Lawman FJ. We're going to take a quick look at some cases for the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. These cases are made by TORRAS. Let's get to it. Okay, before we get started, let me show you where you get this from. You get it from Amazon. This is a TORRAS clear case for the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Ultra thin, slim fit TPU cover, compatible with the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. This is the blue one. It's the actually 10. What's the price here? $16.99 on Amazon. I'll put the link in the description for you so you can get it if you want to. Now I have 3 cases, but all these cases are the same. But we're going to take a look at each one of them because they're different colors. Clear cases. Now this is Simplicity for Life case for smartphone. This is a TORRAS case, perfect fit for your phone and style. Worry-free, worldwide, 10 plus years, concentration. I think that means they're saying they're pretty good. This is the blue one. Got a blue trim. Simple boxing. Let's pull this out. Got a little card inside. Hello world. Pretty cool. Alright, let's take this out and put this stuff here to the side. Alright, so this is the blue case. It's a very thin case. You see it's got the blue TPU around the edges. And it's got a finished area for the camera, blue around there. Pretty soft and malleable. So it's not that stiff. You got your S Pen cut out, speaker, charging port, and your mic. And you got your Bixby power button. You got your volume up and down rocker. And you got your opening for your mics right there. Nothing on the left side. It's pretty clean. You got a lanyard opening right there. I don't see any branding anywhere, so that's pretty cool. But feels pretty grippy. It's not slippery, so it's thin, but you're gonna be able to get your grip on this pretty good. All right, let's go ahead and take the Note 10 and put it inside. All right, so here's the Note 10 Plus. Let's go ahead and pop it inside. Okay, so a good fit there. It's nice and snug. Very thin though. This is very thin, man. The Note 10 Plus is a big phone, so that's nice that they made it slim, because a lot of people will want that. They don't want to add too much bulk. Now, as you can see, you got everything lined up there. Your S Pen, speaker, charging port, and your mic hole right there. And you got your power button, Bixby button, bottom down rockers all together. And you got your openings for your mic right there. Everything lines up. Nothing on this side. Camera is covered, so you can't touch the camera, so it's flush. I mean, it's not flush, but it won't, if you put this down in the back, it won't actually scratch the camera, so that's good. They did that protection right there. No feet on the corners or anything like that, but it's nice and smooth. It's grippy, so it's not slippery. You'll be able to hold this pretty good. The back is grippy as well, so that's pretty good for these thin cases, that you can still use your phone, but with a small case that won't add too much bulk, but still give you some scratch protection. You can't throw this down across the room. Now let's see the lip here. A little bit of a lip. I mean, you can put it down on the table. I wouldn't slam it. You will be able to get a screen protector on this one. It'll fit just right, I think, based on what I see right now. But this is the blue version. And there's 2 others we'll look at. And wireless charge will work. It's a thin case, so that won't be a problem. Let's take a look at the other 2 while they're on the device. Okay, so here's a look at the clear case. This is one you want to use if you want to see the color of your phone. If you got a different color, you can see the sides. If you like to see the sides of your phone, this is good as well. Again, everything is lined up perfectly there on the device. Camera's protected, nice and finished there. And you got a lanyard open right there as well. So this one is grippy as well. Fits pretty good. So did a good job. Okay, now this is the black one. This is my favorite one. The black TPU sides. Got the camera finish right there. As you can see, no problem there. Everything lines up right there. S Pen on the bottom, speaker, all that stuff. This is my favorite right here. Probably the one I'll use. But it fits good and it looks good. Doesn't add any bulk. You got decent grip. As you can see, the front lip right there. A little bit of a lip, not much. Gotta be careful there. Okay, so that was a quick look at a few cases for the Galaxy Note 10 Plus from TORRAS. If you have any questions, hit me up in the comments. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more videos like this. This is Lawman FJ.